How to remove watermark from video using After Effects. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your file where you want to remove the watermark, then select the pen tool on the top. And after selecting the pen tool, simply select the watermark on the file, and after that only your watermark will be visible. Now select the layer on the timeline and press M. This will create a mask for your layer or the selected file, and after that just simply right click on the particular layer and select the subtract option. This will make your mask invisible or transparent. Now you will be able to find the window option at the top right beside help. Simply click on it, then select the option of content aware fill, and this way a generate fill option will appear on the right hand side. Just simply click on generate fill, and after that you will be able to see that the watermark is gone, but there might be some imperfections, and in order to remove those imperfections just simply double tap or double click on the mask to expand the options of it. There you would be able to find the option of mask expansion. Simply select it, then increase or decrease the pixels accordingly, and this way you would be able to remove the watermark completely without any traces. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.